Hello everyone, myself Priyasha from Department of Pharmacognosy at LG Institute of Pharmacy. Welcome to the online practical tutorial. Now in today's session we are going to study about determination of acid value from a given unknown sample. Now first of all we are begin with the introduction, then we will study about practicals.
Begin with the determination of acid value. First of all, definition. It is defined as number of milligram of KOH required to neutralize free acid present in 1 gram of oil or sample. It is also referred as neutralization number. So it is relative measure of rancidity, as free fatty acids are normally formed during the decomposition of the triglycerides. First of all, take a conical flask. In that we had to take 10 ml or 10 gram of sample, then add phenolphthalein and imburate. Fill the 0.1 normal KOH or NaOH. Which is previously standardized by using potassium hydrogen phthalate. Now titrate it, so end point will be pink in color. Now see calculation. Acid value is equal to volume of KOH in ml multiplied by normality of KOH, which is 0.1 normal, and 56 is the molecular weight. So potassium having 39, hydrogen having 1 molecular weight, and oxygen having 16. So total will be 56 divided by weight of gram or weight of oil in grams, which is 10 gram. So put the titrant value in the volume of KOH in ml. So you will get the acid value.
See here, for this experiment we required first of all burette stand, burette, then funnel, then 0.1 normal KOH, conical flask. As we have discussed, the lipids are soluble in an organic solvent. So here we are taking the organic solvent as a methanol and diethyl ether. This is an indicator, phenolphthalein, measuring cylinder, burette, glass rod, and this is the weigh of 10 gram of sesame oil and castor oil. So these things we required for the experiment. Now let's begin with the experiment. So first of all we have to take accurately 10 gram of the conical flask. Here in a conical flask 10 gram of the sesame oil is taken. Right? Now we have to add 50 ml of total organic solvent. So for 50 ml we required mixture of the methanol and ether. So we are taking 25 ml of methanol and 25 ml of ether. So total volume will be 50 ml. Now this 50 ml we are adding into the sample which we are going to be titrated. So first of all the addition of solvent is done. Now after addition we need to shake it and then we have to heat it on a hot plate. So here on a hot plate we are keeping it on a 70-degree temperature. So here you can observe that oil is miscible or solubilized into the organic solvent. So for 2 to 3 minutes you need to heat it.
See, on a hot plate you will find the oil is properly miscible with the organic solvent. Now we have to add 1 ml of phenolphthalein, which is used as an indicator. Shake it properly and titrate it with 0.1 normal KOH or NaOH. During titration, shake it properly and add drop by drop a KOH. While you are adding, you will find a pink color which will again disappear because all the acids have not been neutralized. So you need to continue with the titration. Shaking is important, so shake it properly. You have to titrate it till it will give a pink color. Now you can observe that pink color.
Now let's begin with the calculation. So first of all, our titrant value is 2.1 ml, that is 0.1 normal of KOH. Weight of the sample which we have taken in a conical flask, that is 10 gram of oil sample. So acid value is equal to volume of KOH, that is here in ml or titrant value, multiply with the normality of KOH, multiply 56. 56 is the molecular weight of the KOH, right? Then divided by weight of the oil, or the sample is taken in a gram, right? So here our value is 2.1, multiply 0.1, multiply 56, divided by 10. So total acid value is 1.176, which is nearer to our standard value. Standard acid value of the castor oil or sesame oil is nearer to 2. So here we can say our oil is of pure quality or without producing a rancidity.
Thank you for watching our video.